Don't know what kind of bird this is. He's kind of cute though. Chubby little thing. Probably something simple. I'm not really up on birds. If anybody knows, write it in the comments. I know what these guys are. The horde. Where are they? Him. That's a wee blue jay, one of the horde. I'm surprised the chickadees are out there somewhere. I keep seeing them flying around. Don't know what these guys are. They're cute as well. He's hiding from me now. There he is. Don't know what they are. Anything you see you want to comment on, tell me what they are. I'm all ears.